Okay, so let's look at our first example, that kind of first way to find that other endpoint. So here we have, if M is the midpoint of segment AB, what's that coordinate of B? So if I'm looking at it, I just have segment AM, so I need to know how far more it goes to get to segment B. So if we look, A is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, negative 6, 1. And M is at 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4. So here I have X sub 1 and Y sub 1, and I have X sub M and Y sub M. Because M is the midpoint, we have to read the question. Read the question carefully. It will help out a lot. Okay? Then I can just kind of come in, well, what's my equation? Well, right now we're just looking at the formula itself. X sub 2 equals 2x sub m minus x sub 1, and y sub 2 equals 2y sub m minus y sub 1. 2 times the x, midpoint minus the endpoint. 2 times the midpoint minus the endpoint. 2 times the midpoint minus the endpoint. So when I substitute in, I rewrite that equation. I rewrite the template. X sub b, which is going to be my second endpoint, right? Because I'm looking for the coordinates of b. So x sub b equals 2 times whatever my midpoint was for the x, minus the x of the endpoint, a. Y sub b is 2 times the y of the midpoint, minus the y of the endpoint, a. So I can just plug into the formula. Alright, and then we can just put it into a calculator. This is quite easy formula to write out. 2 minus those parentheses. So if I look, x sub m, x sub m was 3. X sub a was negative 6. Yep. Which gives me the x value being 12. Alright, so what about the y value? What about the y value? Well, if I look at the y's, the y of the midpoint was 4, and of the endpoint was 1. So 4, 1. Yeah. So that's going to give me 7. So that means my midpoint is at 12, 7. Which, if you look, is not on the graph.